welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Training program for bamboo handicrafts concludes in Meghalaya. AIM Meghalaya holds awareness rally amid gathering restrictions. Hito Senkme advocates for motor vehicle rules with Deputy Chief Minister. And Eastern United FC advances in Tirat Singh's AIM Trophy. And now the news in detail. A 2-month training program aimed at enhancing skills in bamboo handicrafts concluded on September 23rd under the RAMP scheme organized by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry of Meghalaya in collaboration with the Northeast Cane and Bamboo Development Council NEHU. The program, which commenced on September 9th, saw 24 participants awarded for their achievements in crafting various utility products, including cups, pots, baskets, mugs and flower pots. The closing ceremony featured remarks from MC Omi Ningshen, Managing Director of IRS, who praised the participants for their dedication and encouraged them to further develop their skills. Attendees included H. De Cruz, General Manager of DCIC, Pulak Mandal, Assistant Manager at NECBDC, and educators from across Meghalaya. The initiative underscores a commitment to promoting local craftsmanship and sustainable practices in the region.
Get along with certificates, हम लोग क्या दे रहे हैं? Stipend also, ठीक है ना? हम लोग घर इतना 15 days miss कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए
Hakajingalang hakanika sngi penkut lasakilang da UMC Omi Ningshen IRS Managing Director NECBDC hakajingdan rengkat uba H. De Cruz General Manager DCIC Ribhoi District Upulak Mandal Assistant Manager NECBDC bat kiwe ki officer na NECBDC bat na DCIC lembat ki arpusangut kinong syahikai ki bawan na ki district ka Meghalaya. Habakran hakanika sngi UMC Omi Ningshen ula kitbok kirwyang yakinong shna bat ula penturu halor kajing dan kam ban beteng ya kasap bat penphu ya la kajing start jing shampang bakila yo lengba kanika training.
कभी आज तक with the वो base का ऐसा बना के ऐसा सुंदर बनाए नहीं. I think we must really congratulate this team for making this beautiful product. And then this only shows ये दिखा दे रहा है कि आप लोग घर वापस जाने के बाद कुछ बहुत काम कर सकते हैं. मतलब जाके यूनिट आप खोलने से आपका प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में ठीक अच्छा चलेगा, है कि नहीं? इसके लिए जो आपके गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो बोला है बहुत स्कीम है, आप उसको अप्लाई कीजिए और जरूर आपका ट्रेनिंग का ये फायदा उठा लीजिए, है ना? आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग जाकर फिर खेती का काम करने से क्या फायदा है? यहाँ पे टाइम बहुत लॉस है. सो आप लोग 1-2 मिलकर या अकेले करने से भी हो जाएगा. मशीनरी की कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट से आप ये ले लीजिए, ये स्कीम क्या स्कीम है. हम लोग की तरफ से भी जो मौका मिलता है तो हम लोग आप लोग को जरूर सपोर्ट करेगा. एंड देन आई थिंक आई होप वी हैव ऑल द सेम.
On September 23rd, leaders of the Awakening Indian Movement, AIM, Meghalaya unit convened a meeting to highlight the discrimination faced by the people of the state. A peace rally took place in front of the newly unfurled Indian flag at the PWD office, Barrack Point. Following the rally, AIM members planned another gathering near the statue of Kyang Nangba opposite Shillong Civil Hospital. However, district authorities initially banned public gatherings in that area. After negotiations, the authorities permitted the meeting to be held nearby.
Ang situ ipi ka pangila sim mi issue nakabenta kajing Khubor ki marbam kumtu ngila I pedel along no hadin bangila ay ki city sa brosan puknai ngut ke MLA hakapor bakrong ye ka assembly session I nagalyang jong ka PPP ka asim pade ka issue ban yalam yakni ka jing Khubor jing marbam nagalyang jong kinhon ping hapan ong no mentang hapan sange sipor namabli ka asim no ka voice of the people party yakni ka issue tendai kum kipai ba nong song di besotu ye kata ingin melaban ben yana inoru ingin dai ban kan tho yana inoru namar ki political parties le gidam la jong jingmut jing perkhat ye kata ngim melaban tip kum kipai ba le ka ei ka bangong namar play hoi kendiak na sosi I bong nok kumbekenhon andang ila persang napo ke IM Panyakran hadu Rajasthan Himachal Pradesh Uttar Pradesh West Bengal Delhi Mumbai kelen sodong ila de pernikran adu kat menin kasngi ngarang itu ipi ngarang poyakran ni giso namar kaso kum usok Valencia upoi po jela jangi minta arspa tingkas kilo ndai datang nah Assam ada gile tang po mulai beri Assam minta usok Valencia upoi prapu tingkas kilo tinggi sa akan lengo andang ikindo iginong diso hangni ki retailer ki diso po jela jangi inang kliki ngom bali himla ban trip ben po Assam kita ginong diso padi ki ong mangimla bali trip direct nang tehna omsa tegamut ki retailer po jela jangi kimsa ban thit na bareng so hap thit pe na po jela jong da wanang nuru hap thit pe da kador kabaran na jela jong te perkhat mapi menta se adang ithit tang ukubi mencuang yong teng dang yo si tengka artengka kilo biskot mencuang yo si tengka artengka kilo le menta la ram am lapoi kan no laipo so tengka kilo apoi menta adang ithit chusu kum kito ki kajor le laita mencuang irang yo thit kumbong no le seng yo thit prapo tengka kilo.
On the evening of September 23rd, leaders from the Hito Senkme met with Deputy Chief Minister Snya Bhalangdhar, who oversees the Transport Department, to advocate for the establishment of the Meghalaya Motor Vehicle Rule. This initiative aims to assist vehicle owners and drivers in avoiding fines related for permits, insurance and other requirements. Hito Senkme President donbosco expressed optimism, stating that the government is actively drafting the rules, which will be implemented soon. Additionally, the Hito West Jaintia Hills chapter urged the Chief Minister's Secretary to revive the Meghalaya Transport Corporation (MTC) services in Jaintia Hills. They emphasized the necessity of reliable transport options for residents travelling to and from rural areas in East and West Jaintia Hills districts, advocating for improved accessibility for the local population.
Meghalaya Motor Vehicle Rule Barok Tharai Bon Gibu Segimnes Tour. Kanega Meghalaya Motor Vehicle Rule can yet take to Jong Assam. Hadu Montana Duba Yo Kajala Jong Yim Haton Yaka rules a job. Tementa happening a current scam, happening a sort of country come to rule, Menta under process, but kill I commitment by container, but wood in them Hakapor Kaba, Nankot. The Kanang Banyasha should ship back. Kaneka Meghalaya Motor Vehicle Rule, Kalong Ni. Kaneka Jimlawan of a sink of a Kamtami to e penalty fine. Lada collapse for permit La Hapsi Kumba Shipikala expire no? Kandala expire could not Tandala renew. Tandala fail to penalty can match Poza. Kanakalian was mean is no care, but when Siush Poazar Kalong Kaba, you try Kali, but Namat Kantam to him Jakpo Naka, Latkamai. Tanakanyan jumi ni suggestion ni government but they want reduce na ito kabombo to laga haga jimi ay haga jim start the government kita kaba kila ban sendor na kalay ada teke ba khamsan review kan pushpo dong hangi haban ai lat kan nama teng teng ai jam tu tapi ai tang lai hazar dan berturun trek banding sio hangi haban pe haging haka advantage disadvantage haka pe dai kan ni kam karena kalian ko jong ki la ong ba hoi kani ka dikamat ka ba kila yale ba man snai kani ka rule wood khanang ban reduce ya kani ka fine haka pe dai ba feel da kan no na do ki insurance hadu kan no penalty ka pe dai kani ka traffic te nakalian ko sungi habi dai bat kani ngin ai jengmur no kat kum kani ka dorkas ka bangi specific ngila mention ya ka chapter 4 5 8 7 8 but 9 jong ka asam motor vehicle sur araja lai hang ni ha badai ban guide la ni ban regulate bahaya ta ka fine and taxes te nang taru ngila su kai ban pendon kam da ka I salan system ban siu ya ka.
The Eastern United Football Club triumphed over Khubor FC with a score of 3-1 in the 5th Tirat Singh CA Memorial Trophy Football Tournament 2024 organised by the Pendeng Umyong District Sports Association PDSA. The match showcased impressive skills from both teams, providing an exciting competition for spectators. With this victory, Eastern United secured their place in the quarter-finals, continuing their pursuit of the prestigious trophy. The tournament highlights the growing talent in local football and promises more thrilling matches ahead. On Tuesday, representatives from the HYC Tersat Circle met with officials from the Meghalaya Cooperative Bank, urging the establishment of a new branch in Tersat to better serve the local community. President Bosco highlighted that the village currently relies on a single root bank, making additional banking services for over 10,000 residents in the area. J.A. Khongsit, village headman, confirmed that the village is willing to provide land for the proposed bank, emphasizing the pressing need for enhanced financial services. The Assistant General Manager of the Meghalaya Cooperative Bank assured the community that a site inspection would take place soon to evaluate the feasibility of the project. The move aims to improve access to banking facilities, fostering economic growth and convenience for the residents of Maulom Tersat.
Tax Bank nakabenta ki jingdon kam jong ka dong peduli station po Thai Tersat tujuan hang ni banyak kendu ya managing director lalu chairman jong ka Tax Bank namar ba kat kum ka jing lap ka jing bat ka jing ut jing nam ju ki ba kalong ba hang te hapo jong ka thain ba de tersan ila don kam ni sak wi ka bran jong ka bang de ni ba kan ni ka bang ka kam prikam ba hapo jong ka ni ka jela ka jing ni tingi wan banyak keren hang ni nak taban set up lan ni banbu yang sak wi ka bran sang te hapo tersan ba kenang ba ka jing don kam jong ki ba kan long ka bebet ka biang nomor kumbang itu ni kini isi ku bamenta kalong ba aman laki kam ni don kam yang kabang dia nanti ka don tang ku ka bang ni ba kala sem jik e di ba nomor ki jing don kam ki bubun ba kim la shu ban ya bit biang but haka juga poru na ni sukumen ba nakalin jong ka Shillong molung tersan kala bersyan bahai kini ka kam ban kala bularu ban ai ka jaka na ka bentaban ban sna ya kan ni ka bang bat ni la ka jing kren ka jong ni bat kani ka bekinongi yalam jong kani ka apex bang dari kendu ba pasa dari manager jong ka administration badila set up ya kini kam badila kularu ba imsa pha ban survey bat kaji keren ni kalong ka ba ni ala ban kalong positif ban ni kalong ka ba ki sutenat ban shimkhie ya kini kam te ila ongru bakin sawan ban Peit ban jungo haswa ban le ya kini ba ni sutu hi ba kamde ka kam ka ba suk ban
Was all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.